The pilgrimage to Sivagiri and the establishment of the Sivagiri Mutt are two pivotal events in the life and teachings of Sree Narayana Guru, a revered spiritual and social reformer from Kerala, India. These events not only marked the Guru's growing influence but also laid the foundation for a powerful spiritual and educational movement that continues to inspire and uplift people today. In 1928, two ardent disciples of Sree Narayana Guru, Vallabhasari Govindan Vaidyar and T.K. Kidan Writer, proposed the idea of a pilgrimage to Sivagiri, the Guru's hermitage atop Sivagiri Hill in Varkala. The Guru, who had been traversing Kerala for decades, spreading his message of social equality and spiritual oneness, readily approved the idea. The first Sivagiri pilgrimage took place in December 1928, with a handful of devotees partaking in the journey. Over the years, the pilgrimage grew in popularity, attracting thousands of devotees from across Kerala and beyond. The pilgrimage, known as the Sivagiri Tirthadanam, became an annual event. Held from December 30th to January 1st, symbolizing the Guru's teachings of unity and spiritual liberation. The pilgrimage to Sivagiri held profound significance for the Guru's followers. It was a manifestation of their devotion to the Guru and their acceptance of his universal message of oneness. The pilgrimage served as a spiritual retreat, a time for introspection, and an opportunity to immerse oneself in the Guru's teachings. The pilgrimage also played a crucial role in spreading the Guru's message and consolidating his growing influence. It brought together people from diverse social backgrounds, uniting them under the Guru's banner of equality and spiritual enlightenment. The pilgrimage fostered a sense of community and camaraderie among the Guru's devotees, strengthening the foundations of the nascent spiritual movement. In 1904, Sree Narayana Guru established an ashram at Sivagiri, marking the beginning of a spiritual and educational center that would become a beacon of enlightenment and social transformation. The ashram, later known as the Sivagiri Mutt, attracted students and seekers from all walks of life, eager to learn from the Guru's profound wisdom. The Sivagiri Mutt became a hub for spiritual and social upliftment. The Guru established a school within the ashram, providing education to children from marginalized communities. He also encouraged the study of Sanskrit, Vedas, and other religious texts, promoting a deeper understanding of Hindu philosophy and spirituality. The Sivagiri Mutt continued to flourish under the guidance of the Guru's disciples after his passing in 1928. The Mutt remained a center for spiritual education, social service, and the preservation of the Guru's teachings. It played a pivotal role in the spread of the Guru's message, inspiring countless individuals and contributing to the social and spiritual transformation of Kerala. The pilgrimage to Sivagiri and the establishment of the Sivagiri Mutt stand as enduring testaments to the profound impact of Sree Narayana Guru's teachings. These events not only solidified the Guru's position as a revered spiritual leader, but also gave birth to a powerful spiritual and educational movement that continues to shape the lives of individuals and communities today. The Guru's message of unity, social justice, and spiritual liberation remains as relevant as ever, inspiring individuals to strive for a more harmonious and enlightened world.